we're going to use the data labeling service to label some images to use as part of OCI Vision. So what I have out on my desktop is a whole load of images that I can actually use to train the machine learning modules in AI Vision. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of take these files and load them into OCI. So the first thing you need to go to storage and buckets. So I need to load it into a bucket within OCI, and then once it's in bucket I can actually access it from OCI Vision. So as you can see here, I have a whole load of different buckets already, for doing cats and dogs. So I'm going to create a new bucket and I'm going to call it demo. You just can take the defaults for most of these, and it'll just create an empty bucket for you. So by clicking in on it, we get some of the details of it. Now, because it's an empty bucket, there isn't much there, but what we can do is we can upload our images. From here, we can, if we want to have a prefix, now you could leave that null if you want, or empty if you're not, but I'm going to put a demo hyphen as a bit of a prefix. Then click on select files, go to the files that I want to be able to include in this bucket, and I can just click and drag them in. And once that's done, once you have all the files in that you want to be able to use, you can just click upload. Now, I'm only working with kind of a couple of hundred kind of images here, so they're actually going to load up really quickly. If I had significantly more images, I could actually script it up with a bit of Python code with the OCI library to go and load all of the images into the bucket, and that would probably be a more efficient way of doing it. But this is fine when we're working with a small data set. So they're all loaded in, and that's it, kind of all there within the bucket.